Hello everyone, my colleague here from the reviewer. So guess what came through the mail today? Well, this is Sternglas. They actually one of the Kickstarter that actually been in the market for the past 6 years, and they have been creating a very wonderful Bauhaus style watches. So my package came from the mail today. Okay, you can see Sternglas. This is their team. Unfortunately, the Malaysian custom actually have already opened the parcel for me, and I've gone through it, so I'm not sure if there's anything missing from the package. Okay, let's remove the sleeve so you can see Sternglas, a simple box that it came through. Okay, let's open the box and let's see what we have inside. So you can see this beautiful watch. Okay, we'll set it aside first and see what's inside the box that we have. We have the manual. So basically now they save paper, you can just scan this and then download the manual itself. You have the warranty card, and then of course the instructions. Okay, so let's put this back into the box and let's have a look at the watch itself. So this is the Sternglas Naos model. Okay, basically this watch actually is a black dial watch from Sternglas. The hands is in silver. Okay, it has a 38 diameter, 38 mm. So let's remove this paper from it itself. Okay, paper. Okay, you can see it's a wonderful and beautiful watch itself. Okay, so the materials for this watch is actually a 316L stainless steel polished. You can look at it. The case height is 12 mm, lug width is 20 mm, lug to lug 43 mm. It has water resistance up to 580 m. The glass is actually dome sapphire glass and anti-reflective. Okay, but you can see it's still quite reflective itself. Okay, you can look at the back. Okay, it's a wonderful movement. Okay, basically this watch actually the one that I got here is basically a mechanical automatic movement. Okay, it's running on Miyota A215. Okay, the black variant. Okay, maximum power reserve is 42 hours, vibrations is 21,600, and it has 21 jewels into it. So if you look at the back, okay, basically it has the Sternglas writings on it. Okay, the movement itself, and if you look at this, it's a very nice soft, I would say calf leather. Okay, the strap itself has black calf leather, and the length is 80 plus 118 mm. Okay, it's a wonderful watch. Okay, I think it fits precisely and very nice. Okay, so I hope more people will buy from them. Okay, because this is really a wonderful watch, and it can actually promotes Germany. It's a Bauhaus design. Okay, yeah, I think that's all from my side. Thank you for watching, and click the like and subscribe button if you like our videos. Thank you.